Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix Netflix stuck on loading screen. If the Netflix is stuck on loading screen, first check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes, or else you have to go ahead and make sure to connect to a stable internet connection so the app works smoothly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Netflix, then swipe it away. This will force close the app. This often fixes loading problems instantly. Then restart your phone and try launching the Netflix again. System glitches can cause apps to freeze on startup. Make sure the Netflix app is updated to the latest version. To do so, head over to your app store, search for the Netflix app and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to the app Netflix is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions may fail to load properly. After that, if nothing works, go ahead and uninstall the Netflix app. Long press on the Netflix icon, then delete it. After deleting the app, to reinstall it, go to the App Store, search for Netflix, and reinstall it from there. After logging in again, the loading screen issue should be resolved, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.